All right, good morning, everyone. I just want to pinpoint something very important that I actually got to know from the internet. There have been a controversy as to who owns a process filed by a lawyer for his client. Who owns that process? Does it belong to the client or to the lawyer? It's a question that came out from what we observed at the Federal High Court in Justice Clark's case, where his lawyer withdrew the motion he filed on his behalf for bail because, I don't know, they said he wasn't allowed to lead, and the court allowed him to do so. Here's something I need to point out. Number one, when a lawyer files a process on behalf, because he's representing somebody, on behalf of his client, yeah, that process belongs to his client and not to the lawyer. It is not the lawyer's case, it is the client's case. So in that scenario, withdrawing that process was a misnomer in law. It's not allowed. And the funny part is that he first of all withdrew his appearance before he went ahead to withdraw the motion. And it becomes funny because if you have withdrawn your appearance in that case, you can no longer appear in that case or even address the court in that case. So how was it possible that he withdrew his appearance and was allowed to withdraw a motion? When you have withdrawn your appearance, the court doesn't see you anymore in that particular case. So how then would he be able to withdraw that motion? How? These are two fundamental errors in law that happened. And the last one where he said he must actually lead counsel. When you're the junior in a team of counsel, you can't lead. It is for the elder ones to lead you. I don't know. I don't know. But maybe it's because of a fundamental clash in personality or so. But that is not legal. It's not done anywhere. I've mentioned three things very important. You can't lead your senior. Your senior leads you. The process you filed is not your own. It belongs to the client. Especially when the client has paid you or when you are working pro bono, free of charge for the client. It doesn't belong to you. And when you have done your appearance, you cannot any longer address the court in that case. I wonder, it's just like that.